Got 5 minutes? I'll show you easy container garden hacks that turn tiny spaces into garden gold, even on a balcony. Let's get started. You don't need a big yard to create a sanctuary. With a few creative ideas, any porch, patio, or balcony can become your own green oasis. Imagine your container as a miniature meadow, a living canvas where you can experiment with color, texture, and form. Layer a variety of textures and shapes to mimic the wild, untamed beauty of a natural field. Mix upright, airy plants with soft, mounding foliage for a lush, inviting look. Begin by anchoring your arrangement with an ornamental grass. Its height and gentle movement instantly evoke the feeling of a breezy meadow. Next, introduce a burst of color with cheerful blooms like Cosmos or Black-Eyed Susan. These flowers not only brighten the display but also attract pollinators, adding life and energy. Complete your design with trailing foliage, such as sweet potato vine, to soften the edges and create a sense of abundance as it spills gracefully over the rim. This simple trio, ornamental grass for structure, vibrant blooms for color, and trailing plants for flow, transforms a single pot into a dynamic, effortless landscape. With every glance, you'll see a new story unfolding right on your porch, a modern meadow alive with texture, color, and movement. Short on space? Go vertical with stacked pots. Start with the largest pot at the base, stack smaller ones on top, and fill each with soil and plants. Grow herbs, strawberries, or flowers in tiers, a living sculpture that saves space and looks stunning. It's practical, productive, and beautiful. Before buying new planters, take a moment to look around your home or garage for items you can upcycle. Old crates, buckets, and even unused household objects can be transformed into beautiful garden features. Vintage drawers, for example, make unique and eye-catching containers for your favorite flowers or herbs, adding a touch of charm and nostalgia to your outdoor space. Upcycling is not only sustainable and budget-friendly, but it also allows you to express your creativity and add character to your garden with every piece you repurpose. Try building a vertical herb garden from a wooden pallet, perfect for small spaces and fresh kitchen herbs right at your fingertips. Or create a rustic drawer planter bursting with colorful blooms, giving new life to something that might otherwise be discarded. When you get creative with what you have, your garden becomes a unique reflection of your personality and tells your story in every corner. Olla irrigation is an ancient, low-tech way to water plants efficiently. Bury an unglazed terracotta pot in your container, fill it with water, and let moisture seep directly to the roots. It saves water, prevents over- and underwatering, and keeps plants thriving with minimal effort. Raised beds offer excellent drainage, helping your plants thrive even after heavy rain. They also warm up faster in spring, giving your crops a head start. Plus, raised beds are much easier on your back and knees, making gardening more comfortable and accessible for everyone. But you don't need to spend a fortune on fancy kits or materials. With a little creativity, you can build sturdy, attractive beds using what you already have or can find for free. Gather found rocks, fallen logs, or leftover wood scraps to create unique and eco-friendly borders for your garden beds. Or experiment with hugelkultur, layering rotting wood and organic matter beneath your soil to boost fertility, retain moisture, and recycle natural materials. Repurpose old furniture like dressers or bookshelves to create multi-level planters, adding character and vertical growing space to your garden. With a bit of imagination and resourcefulness, you can build a productive, beautiful, and truly personal garden without breaking the bank or sacrificing style. Maximize every inch by interplanting. Grow compatible plants together in one container. Plant lettuce under tomatoes for shade, or pair carrots with onions to avoid root competition. This strategy boosts harvests and creates a resilient mini ecosystem. Get more from your small space with smart plant pairings. Tired of weeding? Try sheet mulching. Layer cardboard or newspaper, wet it, then top with mulch. This blocks weeds, improves soil, and eliminates the need for chemicals. Just poke a hole for your plant and let the layers break down naturally. Water deeply in the early morning and mulch your containers to lock in moisture. Mulch acts as a blanket, reducing evaporation and keeping roots happy. You'll save water, time, and money while your plants thrive. Which hack surprised you most? Was it the Olla pot or the Meadow container? Share your upcycling projects or garden stories in the comments. Your idea could inspire someone else. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly garden tips and your free planner. Download your free container garden planner and planting chart. Link in the description. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and share with a friend. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more garden inspiration every week. Grab your free planner below and let's grow smart together. Remember, gardening is about the process, not perfection. Every container holds potential. Experiment, create, and let your garden reflect you. Thanks for joining me. Happy gardening, and I can't wait to see what you grow.